How do you celebrate when you set up a challenge for a no-spend birthday? Today, I'm going to share the art of how to spend birthday on a zero budget. January is my birthday month. As nurses, we always take care of others, but what if the ultimate gift to yourself on your birthdays or special occasions is a day of self-care, time, shopping detox, or I call it financial minimalism. And I did all of those on that day, and it was a game changer. It always been a tradition, right? That birthdays often become a parade of material gifts, spending, but what if the best gift you can give is something you cannot buy? It's the only wealth that nobody can buy, and it's time. For so many nurses I know, birthdays are a time to splurge on things that you want. In a world that constantly urges us to spend, anyway, it's easy to get an overtime. For most, it's a justification to buy things because you work so hard, you work hard for your money, so you have to reward yourself. The feel-good rule. So the theme that I'm going to share with you for my birthday this year, the No Spend Birthday Challenge, involves spending as little money as possible, focusing only on necessities, and avoid impulsive buying or treat purchases. It can be done. I spent $0 on my birthday. That's why I'm excited to share it with you, and along with the 2 rules that I'm implementing this year. The first rule is try to avoid the word impulsive, right? Impulsive thoughts, impulsive words, impulsive buying. By refraining from impulsive spending, you can redirect your resources towards experiences and quality time that you can give to yourself, and the best gift you can also give to your loved ones. It is a radical shift towards mindful living. And since it's my birthday month, I'm asking a treat from you. Yes, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video every week. I'll give you 3 seconds, and if you hit the subscribe button, I thank you forever. I'm hoping I can hit 1,000 subscribers by the first quarter of the year. Anyway, let's continue the conversation. I don't know, maybe it's a different season of my life now as a nurse for 30 years, because after the pandemic, having experienced the challenges as a nurse and witness all that happened, it came to my realization that true happiness doesn't stem from material possessions. It prompted me to prioritize relationships, friendships, experiences, and as a family, we would rather spend money on travels than buying stuff. Imagine breaking free from the consumerist birthday culture and redirecting your focus to memories and more time of retreat, self-care. So I'm sharing this message to inspire you to, review your goals, cut back on overspending, and reevaluate your spending habits. It's about finding joy in simplicity and discovering that the most valuable gift you really can give is your time to yourself. And the second rule that I came up with is, I don't really know what to name it, but I call it the investing rule. If you can think of a name, let me know. It's pretty much, instead of investing in buying stuff, like for example clothes which take up space, it can be stressful fixing things, or invest in experiences that really help you change as a person. They're great memory, they can help you learn and expand your horizons. So I've been really focusing on taking that money that I'm not spending on stuff, and we're investing it into travel. If you've tried this already, let me know on the comments. How did I came up with this idea? I started this challenge last year when we spent my birthday weekend in New York. We visited museums, ate, strolled around Times Square, and spent no penny on shopping. There's much more interaction and uninterrupted time, more meaningful conversations. And let me tell you, the sense of liberation from financial pressures is incredible. Knowing that I don't have my shopping bags with me, so we really focus on quality time and bonding with my boys and my husband. It's not really about depriving yourself, it's about conscious choices. Anyway, wondering what really happened on my no-spend birthday, so let's go story time. Started the morning with a lazy wake up. I woke up at 9 o'clock. It's snowy weather. I usually wake up around 7 o'clock on days that I am off. Though we woke up late, started the day productively. We ran to the gym with my son, Ronnie. We spent an hour and a half. He loves going every day, so he motivates me to conscientiously do my daily fitness routine. Sometimes, when your kids are grown up, they become your best friends. They inspire you more. Like us parents, we get motivated to embrace positive changes, especially being healthy, eating healthy, and my boys, my sons, they inspire me to do that. Their influence is helping me in my health transformation. Spending time in the gym for me and my son is the best bonding moment. After that, we head home and Ronnie took it upon himself to prepare a special breakfast. He made French toast with berries, made eggs, and it was a heartfelt gesture that really warmed my heart, reminding me how rewarding it is when your children carve out some time to prepare you breakfast. Have mine. Thank you, Ron. Anak, thank you for the breakfast. And later that evening, while the boys are collectively cooking up a feast in the kitchen, I spent most of the day immersed in reading my favorite books. And at 5 p.m., we started our family dinner party. In our Asian culture, noodles are always associated with birthdays because they symbolizes longevity and are believed to bring good luck and long life. That was super fun. Delicious dinner, special one. The table was adorned with a symbol of love and togetherness. Dad, bake this one. My children would usually ask me to dinner out, but this time I challenged them with their creativity. The best gift they gave me is their time crafting out in the kitchen and cooking. And since I didn't want them to buy my cake, they baked bread from the scratch, which serves as my birthday cake. Indeed, a no-spend birthday, yet truly special. What more can I ask, right? It's truly the best birthday when your kids carve out some time, cooking, baking, making special ornament for you at the night with wine, of course, and spend an hour mingling and chatting with my family. And I challenge you to take a step towards financial minimalism and discover the profound impact of embracing minimal spend birthday celebration. Unlock the power of simplicity while still enjoying your celebration. If you're ready to break free from birthday spending cycle, share your thoughts in the comments below and let's inspire each other to prioritize what truly matters. Grateful indeed for another year and the simple, extraordinary moments that make up this beautiful journey called life. Thank you all for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. If you want to spend a birthday weekend with me in New York, watch this.